guys, so today I'm going to do a test because I'm going to be mucking around with this. So this is the Akrapovic M1 slip-on with the link pipe. It is extremely loud, like ridiculously loud. Too loud for me. Riding around, commuting on it, it's just too bloody loud. Shoots flames, looks cool, but I thought I'd do a test and put this on. This is the stock can that came with the bike. It's actually never been used because my bike had that on it already and they just gave this to me as well. So I'm going to put this on with the link pipe and see if it makes much of a difference with noise level, and if it actually makes it a little bit more acceptable to ride around the street on. Because this one here isn't the GP, it's got the full open hole, makes no difference. So this is the Akrapovic. Extremely loud. So I'm going to swap this one on, just sit that one on there and see if it makes a massive difference. And who knows, maybe you guys would want to run around with the link pipe and the stock can, because it may just be that touch quieter. But this is like, I think it's almost MotoGP level. Like people I've gone riding with have said it's like riding with a bloody MotoGP bike, and they've told me to shut the thing up because they're annoyed by the end of the ride. But it sounds good when you back off. It pops and crackles, sounds amazing. But yeah, let's swap this over. So here it is with the stock can on it. It doesn't look pretty, but let's start it up, see what it sounds like. Still extremely loud, really loud. I don't even think that can does really much, to be honest with you. You see all the stuff fly out of it because it's never been put on a bike before. Yeah, so when I got my bike, it just had the Acra already on it, and it did have a link pipe, but I got them to remove the link pipe because I knew how loud they were from what I've heard. And so I wanted the cat. I wasn't buying a brand new bike without a catalytic converter. But today I'm going to put the cat back on because it's just, I haven't got it tuned and it's running like crap. And I went for a decent ride and everything the other day, and it was dangerous. In the twisties, it cut out on me a few times, and I'm just like, nah, this is too goddamn dangerous to be on this thing. Other people may be fine and they may be alright, but I just noticed that it was not running right at all. It was too unpredictable. It really was just way too unpredictable. I was mucking around with the modes to try and get a mode that was half decent, but nah. So that's what it sounds like with the stock can on. If you wanted to know, the Acra definitely sounds better. That sounds just as loud. I don't even think that really does much, but it has more of a tinny sort of putt to it. So yeah,